System of linear equation. Types of system of linear equations. Inconsistent system. Graph are parallel lines. Equations have the same slope and different y-intercepts, and there is no solution. Consistent dependent system. Graph are coincident lines or identical lines. Equations have the same slope and same y-intercepts, and there are infinite number of solutions. Consistent independent system. Graph are intersecting lines. Equations have different slopes, and there is only one solution. Slope is a measure of steepness, and it shows direction. Slope m is equal to rise over run. 4 types of slope. Positive slope. The line moves upward from left to right. Negative slope. The line moves downward from left to right. Zero slope. If the line is horizontal. Slope is undefined if the line is vertical. Given equations 2x plus 4y equals to 8 and 4x plus 8y equals 16. So, naka-standard form pa sila. I-convert muna natin sila sa slope-intercept form. Unahin natin yung 2x plus 4y equals to 8. Solving for y, transpose 2x to the other side becomes negative 2x. Then we have 4y equals to negative 2x plus 8. To eliminate 4 here, divide both sides by 4. So this is cancelled. This 4 over 4 equals to 1. Negative 2 divided by 4 equals to negative 1 half. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So the value of y is negative 1 half x plus 2. So ang slope dito is negative 1 half. Ang y-intercept is 2. Then solving for 4x plus 8y equals 16. Solving for y, transpose 4x to the other side becomes negative. So we have 8y equals negative 4x plus 16. Then divide both sides by 8 to eliminate 8. So this is equal to 1. Negative 4 divided by 8 is negative 1 half. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So y is equal to negative 1 half x plus 2. Ang slope mo dito is negative 1 half at ang y-intercept ay 2. As you can see, may pareho silang equation. Kaya same ang slope nila at same din ang y-intercept. So ito yung value nila. M or the slope is negative 1 half and the y-intercept is 2. So remember, pag ang slope mo ay negative, dapat ganito itsura ng iyong line. At remember din, ang formula ng slope is rise over run. So, let's plot the slope and the y-intercept. First, locate the y-intercept. 2. Positive 2. 1, 2. So, yan ang y-intercept mo. 0, 2. Coordinate niya. Then, let's plot the slope. Negative 1 half. Rise, negative 1, run 2. 1, 1, 2. So, ito yung next point mo. And draw the line. Since pareho sila ng slope, yung isang equation ay mag-overlap lang dito. So, ang tawag sa system na yan ay consistent dependent kasi nag-coincident line sila or sila ay identical lines. May pareho silang slope at parehong y-intercepts. At infinite number of solutions sila. Kasi itong mga nandito, yung mga points dito ay mga solution ng mga equations na ito. Given equation, 2x minus 3y equals 3 and 3x plus 3y equals 18. From standard form, convert natin sila sa slope-intercept form. Unahin natin yung 2x minus 3y equals 3. Solving for y, transpose 2x to other side. So, negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 3. Then, divide both sides by negative 3 to eliminate negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So, negative 2 over negative 3 is positive 2/3. Positive 3 divided by negative 3 is equals to negative 1. So, the y value is equals to 2/3 x minus 1. So, ang slope mo dito ay 2/3. Ang y-intercept ay negative 1. Solving for 3x plus 3y equals to 18. Transpose 3x to other side becomes negative 3x. So, have 3y equals negative 3x plus 18. Divide both sides by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 equals to 1, or negative 3 divided by 3, negative 1, or negative x. 18 divided by 3 is positive 6. So, ang slope mo dito is negative 1, or negative 1 over 1. Ang y-intercept is 6. So, this is the first equation, y equals 2/3 x minus 1. So, ang slope niya ay 2/3, ang y-intercept ay negative 1. Locate first the y-intercept. So, ang coordinate ng y-intercept na b equals negative 1 ay 0, negative 1. So, dito ang first point niya. From here, i-locate natin yung slope na 2/3. Rise 2, run 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, this is the second point. So, positive ang slope niya. So, dapat ang line mo ay increasing. So, ito itsura niya. So, 2 points on the graph determines a line. So, draw a line. Ayan ang line niya. Then, the second equation, y equals to negative x plus 6. Ang slope ay negative 1 over 1 at ang y-intercept ay 6. So, as you can see, ang slope niya ay negative. So, ang line niya dapat pa ganito. So, ilocate natin yung y-intercept na 6, positive 6. That is 0, 6. So, ito yung first point. Then, from here, locate natin yung slope na negative 1 over 1. Rise negative 1 and run 1. Pababa. 1, 1. Okay, so this is the point. 2 points on the graph determines a line. So, pwede natin i-draw yung line. So, that is the line of equation 2. Decreasing siya. This is what we call the consistent independent system. Kasi intersecting line siya. May different slopes at only one solution. Yung solution niya, yung intersection point. Given equation 2x plus 3y equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y equals 3. So, naka-standard pa silang dalawa. So, i-convert natin to slope-intercept form. Unahin natin ang 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Solving for y. Transpose 2x to other side become negative 2x. So, we have 3y equals negative 2x. To eliminate 3 here, divide both sides by 3. So 3 over 3 is 1. 1y or y, negative 2 over 3x. So the y value is equals to negative 2/3 x. So ang slope-intercept mo dito ay negative 2/3 and y-intercept is 0. Then 2x plus 3y equals to 3. Solving for y, transpose 2x to other side become negative 2x. So we have 3y equals negative 2x plus 3. Then divide both sides by 3 to eliminate 3 here. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then negative 2 over 3x, 3 over 3 is 1. So the value of y is equals to y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. So ang slope mo dito ay negative 2/3 at ang y-intercept ay positive 1. This is the first equation, y equals to negative 2/3 x. Ang slope niya ay negative 2/3 or negative 2 over 3 at ang y-intercept ay 0. Plot muna natin yung y-intercept na 0. So, coordinate yan ay 0, 0. So, this is the first point. From here, locate natin yung slope na negative 2 over 3. Rise negative 2 and run 3. From here, negative 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, this is the second point. Negative ang slope niya, so dapat pa ganito ang kanyang, or decreasing ang kanyang line niya. So, 2 points on the graph determines a line. So, we can now draw a line. Ayan. Then, the second equation is y equals to negative 2/3 x plus 1. Ang slope niya ay negative 2/3, ang y-intercept ay 1. Locate first the y-intercept of b, which is positive 1. So, ang coordinate niyan ay 0, 1. So, this is the first point. And from here, locate natin yung slope na negative 2 over 3. Rise negative 2 and run 3. So, ang kanyang slope ay negative. So, ang line niya dapat decreasing. Itong itsura. Okay? Negative 2 over 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, this is the second point. We can now draw a line. Yan. So, this system is called inconsistent system because they are parallel lines. Same ang slope, different ang kanilang y-intercept, at there are no solutions because parallel lines never meet.